Yo, BBC, what was your approach towards talking to girls while getting money and staying busy?
So here's the thing that a lot of guys struggle with when they're trying to really go after their goals and make a bunch of money. The irony is the reason a lot of guys want to make money is because of women, but women is the reason why a lot of guys can't make a lot of money. It's really difficult, even when you get money too, because to really make a lot of money, it takes a lot of focus and a lot of time. A lot of women won't want to be with a man who's that focused on his purpose. The truth is, I think a lot of women would be a lot happier with a regular guy who just worked 9 to 5 and came home and fucking watched Netflix with her and did all that other shit. But when you're really trying to go after, especially when you're in the building phase and you got to work extra hard, when you're trying to come out of poverty like I did, or when you're trying to really just make it, so much effort and time goes into it. It's very difficult to maintain a relationship under those circumstances. It's difficult to have casual sex partners under those circumstances. I'm gonna be honest with you, because you still gotta talk to these people. Think about the average player. Think how much time he spends messaging these hoes and he's going out with them and doing shit with them. Imagine if all that energy went into getting money. Do you think he would get to his goal faster? Of course. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. It's a distraction and it slows you down. And then even once you get the money, it's gonna be difficult to find a girl who's down with you working that hard. They say they want a baller, but the truth is they want a dude who's balling and still spends all this time with her. And they would honestly probably be happier with a regular dude because there's not that many ballers. The average American has less than $1,000 in the bank account. That's a real stat. So there's not that many ballers. So her friends are probably with regular dudes, and those regular dudes have a lot more time. So she sees her friends spending all their time doing shit with a regular dude, but her baller dude, he's out here hustling. He's managing his employees. He's moving and shaking. He's doing shit. A lot of times women can get FOMO under those circumstances. It's not necessarily their fault because they didn't know that's what they signed up for. So I would say it's just difficult in general. I remember there was this one point in my life where I was actively looking for some sort of substance or drug that would decrease my libido. I felt, man, if I could just be asexual and I was attracted to no one, I'd make so much more money. I was talking to doctors, what's the safest way to crush my libido? And I couldn't find out anything that wouldn't actually fuck up my gains as well. That's where masturbation comes in. Because you can do that and get back to work. All these guys talking about no fap, and yeah, that's good if you're trying to fuck a lot of hoes because you're going to be extra horny. But I think masturbation is a cheat code. Hear me out. You need to focus on your business, but women are distracting you. But if you beat off instead of messaging those girls, then you can get more work done and get more money. It's not just me saying this. If you watch The Wolf of Wall Street, he said, oh, how many times you masturbate? Oh, a few times a week. He said, those are rookie numbers. You got to get those numbers up. And I know The Wolf of Wall Street. We've hung out. I've been mentored by him in sales. I asked him, was that true? He's like, yeah, it's true. But man, listen, there's another part of it. Bitches will fuck your whole shit up, man. They are mental terrorists because they know they can't fight you. They'll terrorize your brain. If you let them, you can't negotiate with terrorists. They'll fuck your whole shit up. The best route to making more money, and I get fucking clowned mercilessly every time I'm on Fresh and Fit and I say this, is to find a girl who's down with you working hard and be with her, fuck all this exercising your option shit, because that's time, man. How you gonna make more money than me and you got a roster of hoes to keep happy? I only got to keep one girl happy. Who you think is gonna make more money? Who's got more time? And before you write in the comments arguing with me, you do not have more money than me, man. I'm fucking balling out here, bro. I digress. The best route is to find a girl who's down with your mission, right? Now you still got to spend some time with her. You still got to devote time with her, put it in your calendar, schedule it, and make sure that you attentive to her and her needs. And then that is going to allow you to work so much harder. That whole Iron Man shit, Playboy shit, it's a myth, bro. A lot of these guys with the Lambos and shit, you can lease a Lambo for $3,000 a month. That ain't no real fucking money, man. You can fake that shit. So you see these motherfuckers, these Lambos, and they out here fucking bitches and shit. They not balling. They might have some money, but they not balling. Or at least they're definitely not balling at the potential they can ball at. They're not balling like me. No fucking way. No fucking way. And I know these guys. The exceptions are guys who make money off women. I had a friend who ran one of the #1 dating companies of Real Social Dynamics. They were making some money and they were fucking a lot of bitches, but that was their job. If fucking bitches is not a job requirement, it's not part of your business model, then you're not gonna make no more money than me doing this shit. You got two options. One, you can masturbate frequently and then focus on your money. That's how you're gonna make the most money, I'm gonna be honest. Second option is to get a girlfriend, don't cheat on her, and focus all your other time on money, man, you're gonna fucking ball out here. I'm telling you. I know all the red pill guys are gonna fucking clown me for that shit, but I'm just telling you the truth. Ain't none of these red pill motherfuckers got more money than me. None of these motherfuckers telling you to exercise your options got more money than me. I promise you that. Get money.